Ever feel like your brilliant project ideas vanish into thin air, leaving you with a scattered mess of tasks and deadlines? You're not alone. So many incredible initiatives stumble, not because of a lack of vision, but due to a shaky foundation, the planning stage. Think about it. Have you ever started something with a burst of enthusiasm, only to find yourself weeks later wondering where all that energy went and what you were even trying to achieve in the first place? It's like setting sail without a map or compass. You might drift for a while, but you're unlikely to reach your desired destination. That's where Trello comes in. This visually intuitive platform isn't just another task management tool. It's a dynamic workspace that, when wielded correctly, can transform your chaotic ideas into well-oiled, smoothly executed projects. But simply signing up for Trello isn't enough. The real magic lies in understanding how to plan effectively within its flexible framework. So, the burning question is, how do you take that initial spark of an idea and mold it into a concrete, manageable project using Trello? How do you move beyond just creating a few lists and slapping some cards on them to actually orchestrating a successful outcome? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. Forget dry tutorials and endless feature overviews. We're going to walk through a practical, step-by-step approach to planning your projects in Trello, turning it into your strategic command center. Whether you're a solopreneur juggling multiple hats, a small team collaborating on a new venture, or even just trying to organize a complex personal project, the principles we'll cover will empower you to take control and bring your visions to life. First things first, define your project's core. Before you even open Trello, take a moment to crystallize what exactly it is you want to achieve. What's the ultimate goal? What are the key deliverables? What does success look like? Write this down. Be specific. Instead of launch a new marketing campaign, aim for something like successfully launch the Summer Fun marketing campaign, resulting in a 15% increase in website traffic and 10 new customer signups within the first month. The clearer your vision, the easier it will be to map out the steps to get there. Once you have a solid understanding of your project's core, it's time to bring it into Trello. Create a new board. Give it a clear and descriptive name, something that will instantly tell you and your team, if you have one, what this board is all about. Think website redesign project, new product launch, or content calendar Q3 2025. Now let's talk about lists, your project stages. Think of lists as the major phases or stages of your project lifecycle. A common starting point might include to-do. This is your idea repository, the place where all initial tasks and thoughts go. Don't worry about organizing them perfectly yet. Just get them down. In progress. As tasks move from the conceptual stage to active work, they land here. This provides a clear visual of what's currently being tackled. Review/testing. Once a task is nearing completion, it might need to go through a review process or some form of testing before being finalized. Done. The glorious final column. This is where completed tasks reside, providing a sense of accomplishment and a visual representation of your progress. However, feel free to customize these lists to perfectly match your project's unique workflow. For a content creation project, you might have lists like idea backlog, drafting, editing, scheduling, and published. For a software development project, you might have backlog, sprint planning, development, testing, and deployed. The key is to create a logical flow that reflects how your project naturally progresses. Next up, cards. The building blocks of your project. Within each list, you'll create cards. Each card represents a specific task or subtask that needs to be completed to achieve your project goals. Be as specific as possible when creating your cards. Instead of a vague write content, break it down into write blog post, top 5 summer destinations, create social media posts for Instagram, and draft email newsletter announcing new product. Click on a card, and you'll unlock its power. Here's where you can add crucial details. Descriptions. Elaborate on the task. What exactly needs to be done? Include any relevant links, documents, or background information. Checklists. Break down larger tasks into smaller, actionable steps. This is fantastic for managing multifaceted tasks and tracking progress within a card. Due dates. Assign deadlines to keep your project on track. Trello will even send you reminders as deadlines approach. Labels. Use colored labels to categorize tasks by priority, type, team member, or any other criteria that makes sense for your project. This adds another layer of visual organization. Members. Assign team members to specific tasks to clearly define responsibilities. Attachments. Upload relevant files directly to the card, keeping all necessary information in one place. Comments. Facilitate communication and collaboration by adding comments, asking questions, and providing updates directly on the card. Now that you have your basic structure in place, let's talk about taking it to the next level with advanced features. Trello offers a wealth of features that can significantly enhance your project planning. Power UPS. These are integrations with other apps and services that extend Trello's functionality. For example, you can connect your calendar, integrate with project management tools like Jira, automate tasks with Butler, or create polls within your cards. Explore the Power Up directory. You'll be surprised at what's available. Butler Automation. This built-in automation tool allows you to create rules and triggers to automate repetitive tasks. For instance, you can automatically move cards to the Done list when all checklist items are completed, assign due dates based on when a card is created, or post updates to Slack when a card moves to a specific list. Learning to leverage Butler can save you a significant amount of time and effort. Templates. If you find yourself planning similar types of projects frequently, create a Trello board template. This will save you from having to build the basic structure from scratch each time. Views. Trello offers different ways to visualize your board data beyond the standard list view. The calendar view provides a timeline of your tasks and deadlines, while the timeline view, available on some plans, offers a Gantt chart-style overview of your project schedule. The dashboard view gives you a high-level overview of your project's progress with charts and key metrics. Experiment with these views to gain different perspectives on your project. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.